Are border crossers breaking the law? Are they jumping the queue? Under Section 11(1) of the Customs Act, bypassing a border crossing is illegal. Not surprisingly, you're not supposed to just go walk across the border. But that's not the only law at play here. Canada is also a signatory to the UN Convention on Refugees, which allows migrants to cross borders in order to make refugee claims. And Section 133 of Canada's Immigration and Refugee Act does make exemptions for refugees. So while a border crosser has broken one Canadian law, another Canadian law allows them to be heard. It may seem counterintuitive, but that's why most people who cross the border want to get arrested. It starts the asylum process. It also explains those pictures of smiling Canadian police officers holding babies as they take people into custody. Okay, so those border crossers may be protected by law, but are they jumping the queue? Are they getting in line in front of other refugee claimants who have filled out their paperwork and are waiting patiently to be called? That's been widely said, but Canada actually has two refugee systems. The intake of one doesn't affect the intake of the other. The Refugee and Humanitarian Resettlement Program is the program that brings in people from outside of the country, generally identified by the UN as displaced and can't get here on their own. That would include large groups like the recent Syrian refugees. They're screened abroad, and when they get here, they have refugee protection. Border crossers fall under the In Canada Asylum Program. Those are people who come to Canada and typically make claims for individual reasons. They may not be part of an internationally recognized group, but still face dangers in their home countries. Technically, they aren't refugees until they're approved in an Immigration and Refugee Board hearing. For 2017, Canada is forecast to accept 25,000 refugees through the resettlement program and up to 15,000 refugees through the asylum program.